What are you guys having for breakfast?
Cheerios.
Asha, are you having some? Oh, look at you. Ashi.
After us. Yay. Having a big party. Oh.
Ita, remember we don't play with him when he's eating because he needs to concentrate, okay? So please let him concentrate on what he's eating, okay?
I should put them over here and have to clean up. She's a big mess, and you can't do that, okay? You did that. Now, no, baby. Baby, can you help me clean up? Baby, help me clean up. Baby, help me clean up. Baby, help me clean up.